Narratives are becoming increasingly used in persuasive purposes as the engagement in a story reduces our ability to critically evaluate persuasive attempts. In this project, I explore the effects of product placement in interactive narratives. Product placements are commonly used in various media, but research is not clear about their effectiveness and impact on our cognition. Most research on product placement is focusing on film and television, but when the practice is applied to an interactive medium, the addition of interactivity can change the effects of embedded persuasive stimuli. Research suggests that interactivity will facilitate the processing of product placements, making them more effective. Based on interactive narrative theory, a special interactive video narrative has been developed as a transmediation of a linear narrative, an action film. The interactive narrative features the same story as the linear one, but gives the viewer options to influence the plot by deciding what the characters should do next. To evaluate the effectiveness of product placement in interactive narrative, a test has been designed. Each participant was exposed to the product placement in either interactive or linear narrative. As research suggests that product placements influence both explicit as well as implicit cognition, I combined two different types of measurement. Explicit measures, which directly evaluate conscious memory using recall and recognition questionnaire, and implicit measures, which evaluate implicit preferences and strength of subconscious processing using the implicit associations test. Results suggest that interactivity seems to have influenced the effectiveness of product placement embedded in the narrative. However, this effect was only noticeable on explicit memory. Interactive environment seems to hinder the viewer's capacity to consciously notice and remember the placements. On the other hand, interactive system was expected to foster subconscious processing of the embedded placement. However, the results from implicit associations test failed to support this hypothesis. While the implicit preference was slightly higher in the interactive condition, the difference was not significant. Nevertheless, the results support the theory that the effects of persuasive stimuli on viewers' explicit and implicit cognition are not directly related. Looking ahead, research of the effectiveness of the persuasive stimuli in narratives could benefit from more objective psychophysiological measurement methods. In the recent years, neuromarketing is offering techniques that allow us to directly measure brain activity as a response to narrative stimuli. It can provide different insights on how narratives in interactive media create both conscious and unconscious experiences in people's mind, and how these experiences are shaping their preferences, choices, and attitudes.